What's up people, this is YSHQ and today I'm going to show you how to make a live bootable USB drive which runs Linux from it. So I'll be showing in this tutorial how to install the Fedora on the USB. There are multiple Linux distributions which are listed as follows. But Ubuntu is the most famous of all of them because this is widely used. So whatever you do is go to the website of the Linux distribution that you want, which could be Ubuntu or Fedora or Linux or Linux Mint or any of the other distributions. Just go onto its main page, then click on the downloads. Then you will be offered with multiple alternatives like the cloud, server, desktop, Ubuntu, Clean. Now if you'd be using the USB drive to use it on your laptop or your desktop, then click on the desktop, then you will be shown such a page. What you do next is select the version that you want, the 16.0.4, the 16.04.2 LTS. LTS stands for the long-term service. Now you can download any one of these. Now there are alternate downloads as well. If you just open alternate download, now if you open the alternate download page, you will be given multiple options to download, network installers, and if you want to use the torrent clients, then you can download the torrent files from here as well. I use the torrent one because I have a torrent client running on my Raspberry Pi continuously. So I just clicked on this and put it into the Deluge server, which is linked over there. So after downloading it, you get a file, and then you'll have to download the unetbootin exe, which would help you install the Linux image on a USB drive. So going through its page, if you click on the download now, going through its page, if you click on download now, you'll be greeted with this page, and the next thing you have to do is just click on the download now button, and you will be passed onto the sourceforge.net page, and by clicking OK, you'll get the file, the unetbootin version. So in this tutorial I'll be using the Fedora, and hence I'll go into the Fedora's website. Now over here also there are three versions, the workstation, server and atomic. I'll be using the workstation because workstation works on desktops and laptops. So if I click on it, I'll be shown this page. Now all you have to do is go to the other downloads and click on the 32 or 64-bit live image. I downloaded the 64-bit live image. And the next thing to do is fire up unetbootin. This is the screen that you'll be shown. Now you can directly download the files from here, or if you have the ISO, which I have, just click on disk image, the type of file format, browse for it, select the image, that is this one, and if you want to install it on a hard drive, click on the hard drive and select the disk. But I'll be using it for the USB drive, and hence I selected the USB drive, and my USB drive's drive letter is D, and hence it will show D. Now to use it directly, just select the distribution, let's say Ubuntu right here, Ubuntu. This will show the latest image, the LTS one, and the other images as well. Now if you click on OK, it will start downloading it and go through the process. But I have it downloaded, so I'll use the disk image and click on OK. Now this process might take a few minutes because this process would mainly depend on the speed of your hard drives and the USB port and the USB drive. We'll let it complete and be back in a few minutes. So after the installation is done, just click on exit, close everything, then shut down the PC and go into the BIOS. Now when you click the power button, just make sure that you press delete and tab together simultaneously until the BIOS screen opens. Now over here you can see my BIOS screen. I'm trying to focus the camera onto it. It's a bit hard. Now you can do two things. Either change the boot priority as shown, or directly run the boot from the SanDisk drive. Now when you run the boot from the SanDisk drive, you will be shown this screen. Just click on default. And the Linux will start loading. Now this gives you two options: to try Fedora or to install it on a hard drive. If you click on install it on a hard drive, it will start the installation process, but if you click on try, then you will be able to use the Fedora live from the USB drive. This is the basic layout of the Fedora when it's new. So thank you people for watching this video. Like this video or dislike it. Subscribe to the channel, share it, go through my other videos, and see you next time. Tada!